So tonight we have a knit top that's going to be come out on YouTube. You'll get to see it. Our easiest pattern ever, and in looking at it, I realized that we needed some more knits. So I'm going to put these knits up, and they're all, well, the first beginning ones are 100% cotton. So this is 100% cotton. It's got stretch in both directions. That is an olive green stripe and a cream. It's like a milk, and it has great drape. Lovely fabric, and you guys know stripes are everywhere. This is a kite fabric. It's a ribbing. It is 100% cotton also. So wonderful fabric. Both sides are usable. This is a Versace. We don't have a lot of any of these left. This Versace Couture, black and gold. The background is black, gold, and then a little bit of white. Be great just for any top pair of jeans. Again, not a lot left, but good fabric, great fabric. 100% cotton. Those are all 100% cotton. This one also, this beautiful blue, I did a dress out of it, and I just love it. Again, great drape. It's like an ITY, but it's 100% cotton. Fabulous little fabric. And then we have this navy blue. It's a texture. It is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Be perfect for a little cardi. All kinds of stuff. And then I love this little mint green. It's got stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. But look at the drape on that. It's fabulous drape, and it'd be great for just a pair of pants. Like a knit pair of yoga pants would be awesome. That palazzo pant, they'd hang so pretty with a little sweater set to match. A little monochromatic outfit would be so pretty in that. All right, so that's our new fabrics. Watch tonight, and happy sewing.